Kan nandini tulo magbalik ka kilo. Wala akong luto karon. Stick di ay. Ako lang yun natin.
212.
212 is done.
With the bottle here.
Ay. I'm gonna put aluminum na.
Oh. Oh, di siguro ni Naro nasa ubos.
Dagmayan na eh. Maot mana? Ibutang na daw.
You still live?
We still got the spaghetti in the living room. George in there. Really?
Say hi to your ate Rosalind.
Who's that?
That's your cousin. That's the cousin, the daughter of my.
What do you do with the wall fan?
I'm gonna have one pandar.
One right here.
No, I want it. See?
Litran ay.
Ay, di ay siya. Oh, diha ka na space. Diha di. Ay, babo, gamay. Siguro. Pero dito sa gilid, dito. Kuan. Akong pansit nga nalata, kaya nagtabi. Akong spaghetti, nga pork, ground meat, nga dili ganahan si Dan, kaya di siya ganahan sa baho sa pan kay gusto sa akong bana og spaghetti, ground beef. Nya akong calderita nga baboy, shrimp. Oh. Nya na rin ko pork curry kanito. Saran. Then may pork salad. Nya ako kakain mag fried chicken pa ko. We're still making fried chicken. Ay, huwag gulaman day ate. Dili na lang sa nami fried chicken. Kaunon mi yung isa ka breast, shrimp. I don't. Pasa ko lang ang kanang
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Andito na naman kami.
Ano? Kinakahan ka ba? Medyo nilayo kayo na ngayon.
Ngayong hapon sa tanan. Namek di ko.
You gonna get the stand fan out?
Yeah, we can get this done fast.
Washing and flushing.
One more.
What's her up?
Almost good.
Bro, this is too...
This one is this is macaroni. This is pork salad right here. It's a little bit spicy. We need to cover the food after.
Yeah, the plate.
What do you want right there? So we got that thing.
We over that food like. Well.
Adam.
Ay, ay. I put chick again.
English ang mga bisita. You know, you're on live, so don't marry this here. Oh, right here.
Did you know? Did you know?
Embarrassing.
Christian, you lose weight.
That curry was excellent. Very good.
This is the office right here. Okay, I'll meet you in the office and we'll
Oh, he did. celebration, right?
Okay, sold up for you. Yan kita. I went out of the house 6 o'clock. Umuwi ako 12. Na English ko yun ha.
Wala na luto, te.
Ingon bitaw ko, ingon bitaw ka.
Bitaw niya na yun siya. Hindi ko na ito.
You want, ma'am? I can...
No, it's fine.
Just for me to get gold medals and become competition. Medals? Medal.
Really girl.